Hey sweet friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you my spring kitchen vignette for 2020. And this is part of a collab hosted by Denise Jordan with This and That with Denise. So I will have a link down below to a playlist if you want some more spring kitchen decorating inspiration. So be sure to check it out. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Julie, and here on my channel, I do home decor, DIY, and organizing, and I do it all on a budget. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the bell so that you don't miss any future videos. And if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up so that I know it helps me out tremendously. And I really appreciate you watching and commenting. Thank you so much. Now let me show you what I did. So I will be taking apart, this is what I have been doing the past 2 times I've done one of these kitchen vignettes, is using this tray and using different cookbooks based on the season. But I am going to disassemble this tray and I am going to bring in a white cake stand and do something different. I think I'm going to do it over in the corner because it's more decorative than useful. Like this one was more useful. So let's see what I come up with. So to begin, I am just going to use this white cake stand as my base. One of the things Denise always requires is that we put it on something that's movable because it's taking up counter space and we need to be able to move it. I picked up this bunny this year at Home Goods for $7.99 and he actually became the center focus of this entire display. I think he looks like a bunny that is not supposed to be in a carrot garden, but he is stealing like the farmer's carrots kind of idea. And I picked up this lit up carrot garland, I think last year at Target, but I really don't remember where I got this. But I absolutely love it. I think it's so cute and it adds some light to the corner. And I'm going to just take apart some of this greenery. I picked this one up at AC Moore. They're going out of business sale, but I do know that Dollar Tree sells something very similar because I've bought some of that too. And I'm just going to play around trying to figure out how to lay this greenery. I want it to look like he's still in the carrot patch. So my question for you is, when you're decorating, do you do it all by just color? Do you have a theme typically? Do you have a storyline? I don't normally decorate with a storyline, you could say, but for this vignette, I just knew I was going to do it that way. It was going to be based on this character, and the scene was going to be based on what I envisioned him being in the middle of doing, which is stealing the carrots. Now I am going to add this little jar that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I put some carrot chocolates in it, as well as this salt and pepper ceramic bunnies that I picked up. I believe these are from Home Goods or Target from either last year or the year before. And they are also going to be part of the scene. They are not supposed to be in the garden, but they are. And I'm not loving how the wire is sticking out, so I'm just trying to figure out how to hide some of the wire. Another requirement that she had for us is that we had to add florals to our vignette, so I decided to use these orange and white daffodils from the Dollar Tree and just kind of place them around. I really wasn't sure exactly. I just played with it until I got everything in a place that I liked. And you can see I'm only using the 3 colors. I'm using the white, the orange, and the green for this display. I finally decided to just hide this wire by sticking it under the corner, and it looks a little better that way. You could see the bunnies better too. And then I'm just going to push it back into the corner where it will live for this spring and Easter season. And I'm going to bring you in for a closer look, as well as give you a look at what it looks like in the dark. Now, my husband did bring me home these tulips, and so I thought maybe it would look really cute next to it, but I ended up not liking, I don't know, it just didn't look right. On top of that, there's no sunshine over in this corner, so I didn't want my flowers to die.